Hi guys, welcome to the info channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the monthly average salary for a designer in UAE. If you are looking for the job as AutoCAD designer, graphic designer and so on, this video will help you to get the information about average salary in the job market. The data are provided here collected from several surveys conducted by recruitment agencies and interviewed with individuals working on related fields in UAE. The range of salary can be different than provided here because it depends on nationality, company profit, education, and experience. But these are the average salaries most of the employees earn in UAE. The company provides additional benefits to the employee such as housing, transportation, insurance, communication, and other compensations are not included in these figures. Number 1. AutoCAD Draftsman. Entry level AED 3600, mid-career AED 5000, experienced AED 6500. Number 2. Mechanical Design Engineer. Entry level AED 6900, mid-career AED 8000, experienced AED 14,500. Number 3. Graphics Designer. Entry level AED 4500, mid-career AED 6700, experienced AED 8900. Number 4. Senior Graphic Designer. Entry level AED 9900, mid-career AED 11,800, experienced AED 16,512. Number 5. Senior Interior Designer. Entry level AED 10,000, mid-career AED 17,000, experienced AED 20,000. So, thank you guys for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the notification icon. This encourages us to make more and more video. So, see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you.